Hello, I'm Meldan. I'm a sales manager of a Hazai company. Our company makes birthday cakes. Our company established in the 2004 year. For this equipment, we are very grateful to the Jalgo company. No any problem with this equipment. We are very thankful for this Jalgo company. You can see the logo of that company. This room is a cooling room. Here we save the cakes in one day, 24 hours. Then we we can get like these kinds of cakes. And coffee machine, liquid sugar. This equipment, no any problem. Everything is okay. We are very grateful, thankful to this company.